Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from the Bitcoin.com wallet app in 2025, step by step. Whether you're moving your crypto to another wallet or cashing out to your bank, I'll guide you through the entire process so you can do it safely and easily. Let's get started. First is open your Bitcoin app and sign for an account. After signing in, go to the wallet section and choose what wallet you want to withdraw from. After entering the wallet, tap the send button. Now you will see a field where you need to enter the recipient wallet address. Paste the address where you want to send the fund and double check it. Below the address field, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Just always check the information to avoid mistakes. And that's how you withdraw from your Bitcoin.com wallet app in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple crypto and wallet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.